Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to sign up for a Citrix Cloud account. The very first thing that we should do is we need to go to google.com and type Citrix Cloud login, and you see Citrix Cloud here. Click on Citrix Cloud. So once you click on Citrix Cloud, it will ask you for the username and password. If you already have an account, you can use your username and password to log into the Citrix Cloud account. But if you are new to Citrix Cloud, what you can do is you can click on sign up and try it free. So once you click on sign up, it will take you to onboarding.cloud.com. So here, if you have an account, you can if you already have an account, you can click on this option to log into Citrix Cloud. But if you are new to Citrix Cloud, you need to enter this detail. So for this lab environment, I have created one test email address, test domain. So I'm going to log in. Okay. So it will ask you for your last name and your first name. You can mention those details here. Okay. I'm going to provide company details, and it is asking for the phone number. So you can give some details here. So once you provide all the details, you can click on create an account. Okay, so let me finish these details. So country, you need to select your country here. So these are all the mandatory details that we need to fill. So I'm just giving some random details here. Okay, uh, once you fill up these details, you can click on I have read, understand, and agree to the terms of service, and click on this and click on continue. Okay, click on continue. Okay, it says Citrix Cloud. We notice that your business address is already associated with a Citrix account. To continue using an existing Citrix account, sign into Citrix Cloud using your citrix.com or my Citrix credentials. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just continue creating a new account. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue creating a new account. Okay, now we are looking at the very important step in the Citrix Cloud account. So it is asking us to select a home region that best suits your performance and business needs. So this is the crucial step. So if you are someone who is in Canada or America, you can select United States. If you are in some European country, you need to select European Union. And if you are in Asia, maybe in Singapore, Malaysia, India, any other Asian country, please make sure you select Asia Pacific. Okay, because once you select it and once you create the account, it cannot be reverted. Okay, you cannot change it. So please make sure that you need to select the right account, because if you are someone who is in Canada and if you click on United States, all the Citrix Cloud components, okay, all the Citrix Cloud components that you are going to have in your Citrix environment, you know, will be in United States. Okay, so if your users are in United States, your Citrix Cloud components need to be in United States. So you should not select Asia Pacific. So users will connect to the Citrix Cloud services which is in United States, not in Europe. So please make sure that you select the appropriate country. Okay, so your Citrix Cloud components will be in United States. So I'm going to select Asia Pacific since I am from Asia Pacific. Okay, I'm going to click continue here. Okay, it says you have chosen Asia Pacific South as your home region. This is where all of your account data will live and connector communications will be routed. Please note that once the home region is set, this cannot be changed. If you are happy this region suits your business and performance needs, please check the box and continue. So as I have just explained, you need to make sure that you need to select the right region because the users should connect to the nearest location, cloud location. So I'm going to click on I acknowledge and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, it is in the process of creating the account. Okay, it says confirm your email address. We have just sent an email to this email address. Okay, so I'm going to open my okay email. So I see that there is an email that has just arrived. Okay, it is asking us to confirm. It says hi Naresh, before you access Citrix Cloud, please click the link below to confirm your account. Afterward you can set up your password and start your services. So you have 72 hours. So within 72 hours you need to click on confirm your account. Okay, so I have created one test domain for the lab environment. Okay, now it is taking us to this particular screen. Okay, it is asking us to create a password now. Okay, I'm going to create a password. If you see here, it is asking us to create a very complex password. Okay, it should have at least 8 to 32 characters. It should have letters and numbers, symbols. It should be case sensitive. Okay, let me type my password here. Okay, let me click on create account. Okay, it says passwords should not contain dictionary words. Okay, let me do one thing. We should make sure that we should give a very complex password here. Okay, so I'm going to type a password. Okay, let me try once again. Okay, I think it is doing something this time. It's taking a few minutes. Let's see how it goes. All right, it says congratulations Naresh, your Citrix Cloud account has been created. Remember, you will be signing with your email address and the password you have just created. Okay, so all right everyone, so I showed you how to create a Citrix Cloud account. So I really hope you find this information helpful. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.